Today we're going to be switching out this bulb on this Sony projector. The first thing you're going to want to do is, it's a little annoying, but on the very top you'll see a Phillips screw. You can always put a bit in it like this, or unless you have a small screwdriver, and if you put a bit in it, then grab it with a pair of pliers, and you're going to crank it till you get at least a little bit loose so you can unscrew it with your fingers. But unscrew this one bolt right here, and you'll see there's a trap door. Before you lift anything out of the way, unplug, give it a second to de-energize, and then just lift this cover out of the way. So if your projector is facing this way, your bulb is facing this way. So if we were looking at the back of the projector, you'll see that there's two on the front and one in the rear. Now I'm going to put this bulb down and I can show you. Back of the projector, one screw, two screw, and the last one is right here, right by the warning. This is why you got to make sure it's disconnected or hasn't been on for a while first. You'll burn yourself. So that screw and the two in the front, again, that's for the rear. Once this one, and the one in the back is loose from right here, grab the little duct tab, lift and wiggle, pull the light bulb out, slide the new one in. You take a look at these two screws. The black one's a hair longer. The two front ones were screwing in just fine, but with the new bulb, I noticed that the silver screw, which came with the silver screws, was a bit shorter, so the back one wouldn't go in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the black one in the back rather than this new silver one. And again, it's just held in with a little plastic clip. You just have to squeeze the screw out of the little plastic clip and then you're good. Alright, so after you've got it in there, go down, lamp settings, up to here, settings for the lamp replacement. Has the projector lamp been replaced? Yes. Process is now complete. Done. Well, that's all there is to it. Press a little like if it helped you out and subscribe for more.